you, Julius? You will never get an approach from me. You will never get any money from me. Instead, you must die in jail. Because how many people you have swayed in this country? Are you going to going around and sue all of them? Never. You have called me a smallest boy ever. How can you sue
the granddaughter of Professor Z.K. Matthews? He swore at her as well.
Buka lapha into yenzeka en-daylight. Ngibolele mphongolo khona enye ingulube lemnyama le kuthiwa ulokhujana unzuza uDeputy Minister wama-affairs. Le yansha leyana yangapha kuthi kwaZulu. Umqotho lezi zinto lezi. They must know that they are dogs, all of them.
But he apologized. He changed his statement.
Now, it doesn't matter he changed or what, because they're all dogs.
He said that, no, we can go as citizens and inspect people now. Because when the immigration laws were being planned, South Africans' black leaders or ANC leaders did not know. They had no idea what was going to happen.
Look at Julius Malema. Wadawa uchwala East London was donsi rightful and lawful while discharge phambi kwabantu.
Imagine.
That was a normal
Why it's a toy gun.
Toy gun. Maninige. If he's a true leader, why at the first place that was wrong? That was not a good example of me. I'm sorry, South Africans.
Sukunla izolo sikhulumile ngodaba likangizwe emveni kokuba ekhiphe i-apology, public apology, lapha bexolisa khona ngayo yonke into ayisho ngoJulius Malema. Kodwa-ke udaba lwabo luhlalile enkantolo namuhla. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ensukwini ezedlule siyenzile ivideo lapha bengichaza khona ukuthi ngomhla ka-2 kuJune i-EFF abameli ba-EFF balifake kabusha udaba enkantolo on urgent basis ukuthi lilalelwe for i-contempt of court for ungizwe ukuthi akawulandelanga umyalelo wenkantolo. So ungizwe mayisebona ukuthi lolu daba liselisenkantolo wayeseyena enza public apology izolo. Udaba ke lalalelwa ke namhlanje enkantolo. Enkantolo ilalela ludaba yayisikhipha isinqumo. Ngifuna ukukufundela nje i-judgment le bese siyichaza ukuthi isho ukuthini. In the High Court of South Africa, Gauteng Division, Pretoria. Bayibhalile ke case number nge-5 ka June 2026 before the Honorable Judge. Ngikwazi ukufunda lesibongo. In a matter between Julius Silo Malema, Member of Parliament who's an applicant, and Ngizwe Mchunu, first respondent, Minister of Police, second respondent, National Commissioner of South African Police Service, or a third respondent. This order is made an order of the court by judge whose name is reflected herein, duly stamped by the registrar of the court, and is submitted electronically to the parties, their legal representative, by email. This order is further updated to the electronic file of this matter, one case line by judge or his or her secretary. The date of this order is deemed to be 5 June 2026. Draft order. Having read the documents filed of record, heard counsels for the applicant and responded, and having considered the matter, it is ordered: 1. The matter is urgent and envisaged in Rule 6, subsection 12 of the Uniform Rules of Court. 2. It is recorded that the applicant was duly served on the respondent in terms of the order of substituted service granted on the 2nd of June 2026, and the respondent was represented at the hearing on the 5th of June 2026. Akusho ukuthi ungizwe njengoba besenkantolo bekunommeli obemmele namhlanje. Asiqhubeke. 3. Mr. Ngizwe Mchunu is found guilty of contempt of court in that, in disobedience of paragraph 3 of this court order, per Khumalo J of 12 May 2026 order, and paragraph 2 of this court order, per Lukaimane AJ of 19 May 2026 order number 2. He intentionally and unlawfully republished prohibited statements in Annexure NOM 1 and NOM 2 annexed to Order 1 or similar statement, the impugned statement, on 20 May 2026 and 21 May 2026. 4. A warrant of arrest is issued against Mr. Mchunu for his arrest and detention in person for a period of 10 days. 5. Only upon a publication of an unreserved apology to the court on social media platforms on which Mr. Mchunu has been active for the last 6 months, uploaded to Caseline, and without a repetition of the impugned statements, will the aforesaid warrant of arrest and detention be suspended. 6. Mr. Mchunu shall also distribute the apology to all media houses with which he conducted interviews and repeated the prohibited statement, including King Zoso's TikTok account at King Zoso XSA. 7. In the event of the warrant of arrest and detention being suspended, as aforesaid, it shall be suspended for a period of 6 months from the date of the apology, on condition that Mr. Mchunu does not, during the period of suspension, repeat the impugned statements. 8. In the event of non-compliance by Mr. Mchunu with the aforesaid, the applicant may approach the court implementation of the warrant of arrest and detention and or further appropriate relief. 9. Mr. Mchunu is ordered to pay the cost of the contempt of court application, including the proceedings on the 2nd of June 2026, including cost of 2 counsels where so employed, on the attorney and client scale by the court. Iphumeke ngomhla ka-5 kuJune. Okusho ukuthi manje kuphuma i-warrant of arrest for uNgizwe Mchunu. Kuphuma incwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kwakhe, angaboshwa immediately. Kodwa kunomgomo ke. Itsile uNgizwe uyaboshwa uyohlala 10 days ejele okanye uyaxolisa. Ekuxoliseni kwakhe angaphindi abhale lezinto ayizishilo ngomalema. Akufanelanga aphinde azibale lezi zinto lezi ayishilo. Khumbula phela ukuthi kwi-apology yayizolo uwakhowuthile lamazwi wakhe wawabhala njengoba enjalo. Yingakho ke inkantolo ithi cha, kufuneka kulokhu mangabe efuna ukungaboshwa, ngoba manje ama-option mabili. It's either uyaboshwa uyohlala 10 days ejele okanye uyaxolisa. Kodwa ukuxolisa kwakhe funeka asebenzise i-account yakhe e-active ebekayisebenzisa for the past 6 months yakhe. Aye kuma social media platforms ahlukeneyo, aphinde futhi enze video ku-TikTok ezongena kuyilokuzana ka-King Zoso. Umenze njalo izobe siya-suspendwa ke-warrant of arrest. Ekususpendweni kwe-warrant of arrest unikezwe 6 months ukuthi akufanele kule 6 months atholakale sephinda amazwi afanayo noma esekhuluma inkulumo ecishe ifane nale ayeshilo ngomalema kulesikhathi esu6 months. Shuthi uma ke siphelile u6 months akuyobe kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe usengaqala phansi baphinde boliqala phansi udaba enkantolo angazi. Kodwa ke futhi okunye okunzima, le application efakwe umalema on urgent basis, uNgizwe sekufuneka akhokhele indleko zayo, aphinda akhokhele nabameli bakamalema ngokwesivumelwano sabo. Uma abathe cha mawufuna siyokhuluma udaba lwakho kuzofuneka usinike mhlawumbe u10,000, kuzofuneka uNgizwe abakhokhe lo 10,000 akhokhele. Phela khumbula ukuthi udaba malihlala on urgent basis, lelo judge lelo leso sikhathi funeka akhokhe ke uNgizwe. Kukuyeke ukuthi uyaxolisa okanye uyaboshwa. Kodwa nje i-warrant of arrest is immediate, angaboshwa noma yinini uma engaxolisi. So uNgizwe funeka enze video ayifake ku social media platform wakhe, Facebook, uTikTok, uTwitter, kuphi yonke indawo la afinyelela khona. Ebese futhi afaka na ku King Zoso, bagcizelele na ku King Zoso na kwamanye ama social media platform. funeka afake khona. Bengithi angicacise lolu daba lukaNgizwe ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi ukuxolisa kwakhe kungamukeleki. Ngoba yena uxolisile izolo kodwa ukuxolisa kwakhe akwemukelekanga ngoba ekuxoliseni kwakhe uphinde wawabhala yena lamagama lawo. Uyabona nje mawufunda istatement sakhe ku number 2 uthi accordingly I retract the statement referred to in court orders mentioned in paragraph 1 above and the said statement are depicted below. I said open quotes waseyawasho ke le statement. So bakhona izola bebe commenta bethi hawu uxolisa kanjani lo muntu oxolisa yaphinde asho yona lento athi uyayixolisela. Ukube mhlawumbe akawaphindanga wawabhala lamazwi njengoba nje mhlawumbe inkantolo ibizothi hayi usexolisile kodwa imthole necala lokungalaleli umyalelo wenkantolo kusuka kwijaji oqala uKhumalo kuze kwijaji lesibili angikhohlwa isibongo sakhe. Yeah, ilolu daba nje bengithi asilixoxe likaNgizwe. Mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Yeah, bengifuna ukuchaza lokho ukuthi uNgizwe Mchunu iphumile warrant of arrest kodwa kukuye ukhetha. uNgizwe kahle ofuneka akhethe. Uma ekhetha ukuboshwa angeke azaxolisa. Uma ekhetha ukuxolisa angeke aboshwe. Kodwa kufuneka axolise ngokungenamgomo nambandela futhi angawaphindi lamazwi.